Monday. Ooh, nope. Nope. Not lying. Nope. I'm gonna do a vlog today, but it's better than... That's what it is. A video before this one. I know it wasn't the best because it's probably... I haven't even edited it yet. So I don't even know how short it is. But I know how much I filmed of that video. And I have a feeling that video is going to be very... yeah, it's going to be small. So... But I think what it is, like, last week... I don't know what it is. Like, last week I had the perfect time to film so much. But I think what I did is looked around the house. And the house wasn't that bad than I thought in my head. Like, the living room wasn't that bad. The bathrooms are still not that bad. They're probably gonna need some good cleaning this week, but on that, they wasn't that bad. And the only thing I really need to catch up on, and I never filmed me doing, was laundry. And so that video is probably that's why I'm gonna. My goal is, because today's Monday, I'm gonna try to get, because I have a video before that one. I'm probably gonna get that one up either tomorrow or Wednesday, and then have that short video Friday, so you guys. So it won't be like a short video and you don't have nothing the rest of the week. No. So, but it's Monday. I have to work today, but I don't have to go in until later. When I go in, I'll be working 7 hours, which is not bad. You could say like, okay, 14 hours, 12 hours, 10 hours. Those are long hours. And you ride. And a normal work day is 8 hours anyway, so I'm only doing 1 hour less, which I will do tomorrow because I'll be doing 8 hours tomorrow. This week's gonna be fun. I have 1 day off until Sunday. And it's right in the middle of the week, which is fine with me. I love a good Wednesday off, you know what I mean? I love me a good Wednesday. Like, Wednesday is my hump day. Wednesday is... I get myself mentally ready for the rest of the week. I will say I hate when she does let me off Monday, and that'll be my only day off until Sunday, because I don't have a day to like mentally get myself back. But like, I have to have that 1 day in the middle of the week. I don't care what day it is. It could be a Thursday, it could be a Tuesday, it could be a Friday. I rather like a Wednesday. I will say that. I will take any of those days. It's just, I can't do from Tuesday to Saturday. I have to have a mental break. Because I'm like, I get more irritated. And I try not to do it against anybody, but when I don't get a little break, I go, yeah. If you work with the public, you know you gotta have that mental break. I'm just saying. So, but we're gonna be happy Monday today. I'm gonna try to get as much done I want to get done this morning, which is I need to clean out my fridge. I will show you the fridge in a minute. There's probably things alive in that fridge. Also, I'm running out of my little girl. She does the little containers down here. She's organized. Let me tell you. And she's like, "Where are the lids?" And I was like, "Honey, we know where they're at. They're in there." I am been. I was almost staying on top of it. Like every week, I'll go through it like a little bit and throw away. So I won't be like this right now. But I want to clean out the other fridge with my drinks, and it has meat in there that is starting to stink, and I'm like, we gotta get that out of there because I'm tired of going in there and get my drink and I smell that meat. That gotta go. But I told her leave it in there and don't take it out and put it in the trash, because then you have the whole house thing. I'd rather take it out right when I'm about to leave to take the trash off, so the smell's not gonna be in here long. So also I have a load of laundry. I would say, oh my god, my girls had laundry, a basket over here. I put it over there about Thursday, but that was full of laundry from when they went to their grandparents. They wanted to go to their grandparents for a weekend, so I'm like, okay, go ahead. Especially weekends that I work, I'm all for it, because it's like I'm not even home to hang out with them anyway. What's the point? Now this weekend they were home and I was home, so yeah. But they had that laundry mixed in there. My mom bought new clothes, and I had that mixed in that basket, and then it had that Wednesday and that Sunday laundry day all mixed in that bag. So you gotta think about how much clothes was in that basket. I got it all put up, and then I was like, I'm gonna start this load of theirs because they wear uniforms to their school, so I have to make sure I'm on top of their uniform. So the morning time goes by, they were like, oh my god, where's your clothes? Oh my god. Kind of thing. So I tried to make sure, yeah. So I did my laundry for all of us yesterday. I got theirs all put up. I don't have to worry about it. I'm like, it's so excited because of how big that basket was. And then I got that other load that I put in the washing machine and the dryer. Got that load put up. I'm like, oh, good, y'all. We're taking care of them. Get out of the way. So, but I have to fold my laundry. Actually, it's mine and my husband's laundry. But I wear more clothes than he does because I like to change 10,000 times, and also, yeah. So, and I also go places he don't. So this week we'll get a release. So we'll see what the future holds after tomorrow. That's when he starts for me this. Let's see what the future holds of yeah. I love that I'm able to pay for bills. I love that I'm financially independent in a way. An income house, so you can see, yeah, and I don't make that much, but I truly think in my heart either work very part-time hours or just be a stay-at-home mom. I miss it. Even my kids are gone, I have to do. I think what it is, I miss being able to be home, you know, and be with my family and being able to take care of my home. I miss that, and also I would like next year to try for a third. So I miss being a stay-at-home mom. I miss it. I think in my heart I already kind of like, every time I go to work, I truly miss being a stay-at-home mom. I miss picking my kids up from school. I just miss simple things you don't think about, because you know you don't have it for long, so you're gonna miss those simple things. So, but I have to tell my husband I don't know how to take it, but so I just miss being a stay-at-home mom. I miss picking them up and stuff, and I have to. What if I said? Anybody else is like that? Like, you've been a stay-at-home mom for a minute, and then you're like, got to be a working mom for a minute. You just miss it. And sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. See, that ain't work right now. Bills will not be get paid, and the honey they come every month. But but I am about to make coffee. I'm about to make breakfast, and then I'll probably get woken up first. I need to drink my greens. Do I want to? Heck no. I want my coffee. I might do coffee first and then I'll do my greens, because right now that was like yesterday. I was like, I made my greens, and the only thing I was thinking about in my head is like, I want my coffee. So I might do it that way. But I'm gonna take my vitamins off. Oh. I'm not saying this is bad. I did a first time trying it on Instagram. I'm not saying it's bad. I really don't. I got the berry flavor. I'm not saying it's bad. It's just not my cup of tea. Let's go with that. Yes, I'm like a kid. I have the gummy vitamins. So don't pick with me. If you saw my shop with me, you saw me pick it up. Well, I always Walmart carry those. I don't have to buy it on Amazon every time. I have to do that with my collagen too. Because Walmart don't carry my collagen. They carry my pre-workout. But I don't carry my collagen. Which reminds me, I need to put collagen in my coffee every morning. I forget. So, alright, I already talked 10 minutes. We're gonna try to make this productive as much as we can this morning to get stuff done, because I would like to come home to a clean fridge. So I was like, I gotta do an errand before I go to work, and also I need to wash this mess of a hair. I got a bunch of stuff to do, and I only have 4 hours to do it. I don't want to go to work. Remember I talked about how they really go to work. Well, you gotta work in office. I have to physically do stuff. I wish I had an office job. Shoot, hire me. That's what a lot of TikTokers and YouTubers, most of them will work from home or they work in an office. And I'm gonna be like, honestly, I haven't found one. You can link it down below. There is one, but I haven't found one that literally working with the public. You're physically doing stuff. You're not sitting down. Let me know if anybody on YouTube does that, because most of the time they usually work from home or they're working in an office or a nurse. And I'll tell you something, nurses are allowed to sit down. They ain't on their feet all day, but they are on their feet a good bit. I'm not gonna diss nurses, because I understand y'all. But let's go make coffee.
I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy, up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, yeah. Why do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? It's been chaos from the start. Can't believe I made it this far. Guess I needed it to see who you really are. Breaker of hearts, yeah. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, yeah. Why do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, yeah. Why do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? Yeah, I will never smile for you. Yeah. I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers, don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers, don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way.
That's just nasty. I don't even know what that is. Yes, way past due. Oh, way past due. Go put down the sink at least.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow